Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open up a new browser and search for Fortnite. After that, open the first web link, and you will be redirected to the official Fortnite game's homepage. Now you just need to sign into your account by clicking on the profile icon at the top. Now, once you've logged in, get back to your profile icon at the top and select Account from the drop-down menu. After that, access the Apps and Permissions tab from the left side panel, and what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you've connected your Nintendo Switch account, it should be shown down here. Once done, now all you need to do is simply connect your PlayStation Network account from this screen by clicking the Connect button underneath PlayStation Network. And then once you click the Connect button underneath PlayStation Network, it's going to redirect you to another screen. We're just going to ask you to connect your account to PlayStation Network. At this point, all you would do is simply click the blue Connect Account button. Then what it's going to do is take you to this screen. You can then sign in, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.